Getecha, innovative solutions for the granulation of plastics and a partner for the automating companies of the plastics industry. Here at Getecha, we produce economic and reliable granulators and automated systems that are used globally. State-of-the-art production machines always ensure a consistently high quality. Since 1956, the innovative family-run company has been developing, planning, and producing their very own machines at their company-owned site in Aschaffenburg, Bavaria. Thanks to many years of experience and enthusiasm for finding innovations, Getecha can guarantee a maximum of quality, flexibility, and production depth. Continuous modernization of our product range ensures stable growth. Our own electric design and switch cabinet production improve the flexibility and integration into individual customer systems. On more than 4,000 square meters of production area, we develop, design, and produce cutting-edge products independent from parts distributors, a goal already set by the founder himself back in 1956. Getecha is an experienced partner at your side. Anywhere in the world you may need us, not just in the field of serial production, but even for very specific individual solutions. Our customers' requirements always come first, along with our very high-quality standards toward our own services and products. Getecha always stands for fast and competent support in particular. Our own construction using a 3D CAD system enables us to prepare projects perfectly and to complete them with utmost precision. Continuous product improvement remains the focus of the innovative family business, which is managed in the second generation. All Getecha machines and systems can be used flexibly for plastics production. Both pillars, granulation and automation, are a perfect match and are adapted to the customers and their manufacturing process. Training our own staff is a very important aspect of our corporate strategy. Getecha, individuality is our standard.